Here are what disappointed me or what felt like compromises. Obstacle avoidance underperforms relative to the rest of the high spec. It misses low stuff, sometimes smacks into edges or furniture, especially in carpeted zones. If you expect it to be perfect around clutter, you may be frustrated. Carpet performance, fine debris, embedded pet hair, is modest. If you have thick carpets, lots of shedding, this won't replace a strong, upright, or carpet-specialized vacuum in those areas. The dock is big, needs space, and loud when working. Also uses more water, power. If your utility bills are sensitive or water is scarce or electricity expensive, this matters. Price and recurring costs. It's an expensive device. Consumables, dust bags, mop pads, filters aren't cheap, and replacement frequency is non-negligible if you run heavy usage. Height clearance. Even with wheel raising, it's still tall. Under some furniture, as I discovered, it won't fit.